So how is this? So good? So I made pumpkin, it's called, let me find it on my phone real quick. Oops. It's like pumpkin pie dip or something like that. Let's see, what is this called? So it is goodness gracious. Guess I go all the way up. Yeah, it is pumpkin pie dip. It's really easy. It was pumpkin pie. It was cream cheese, pumpkin, a can of pumpkin puree.
Do I Nom nom.
A cup of powdered sugar and the pumpkin pie spice, and then some whipped cream. I think it was like a cup of whipped cream. I just eyeballed it. So. But it tastes just like what? Pumpkin pie. So it's like you can use apples, you can use shortbread cookies, which we got.
There's some white in here.
Okay, well, look at yours. Get ready to smash, just smoosh it all over. Smush or smusher. Smoosh it all over. So I made dinner tonight. I say you guys saw. I made it's like a white taco soup. But it's really thick. So there it is. I added the chicken breasts, the onions, the rotel, the beans, and the corn, and the packet of taco seasoning, and let it cook all day. And then I added a block of cream cheese and a half cup of sour cream. And so it's really good, and we are going to eat it with some chips that I purchased.
The speaker's broke.
On what?
Replace the battery.
Well, Dixie, look at your beard, girl. What you got?
There's two. There's one over there and one that I got.
Louie. Where's Louie? The father's got Louie.
Hi guys, I haven't even talked to you guys today, and I just spilled water on down my pajamas. But it is now 9:19, and the reason I'm down here is I had to package up my orders. I finished them all. I didn't finish them all. I finished what I wanted to get done today, and then there's one I was packaging it up, and I realized I didn't put the wrong name. I missed a letter in the name. Like, oh, so irritating. So irritating. Anyway, I'll have to remake that one tomorrow. But yeah, I finished. Would have been 7, but I messed up. So I'm gonna go upstairs and head to bed. like I said, just came down here to do this real quick. Package these up, and now head to bed. We had a wonderful dinner, so if you don't know, I made taco. It's like a white chicken taco soup. I've made it like a couple times before. It's really good with like tortilla chips. And then I made a pumpkin dip. So it's really easy. Tastes exactly like pumpkin pie. So if you want to try it, it is an 8-ounce block of cream cheese at room temperature, or you know, I just softened mine in the microwave. So you add that with 1 cup of powdered sugar, and you blend it with your mixer, your hand mixer, until it's all well mixed together. And then it says, I think it's like 1 cup of pumpkin puree, but I just used a whole can because I thought, you know, why not? So I, you know, one of the smaller cans of pumpkin, so just the puree. So I added that, and then 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and then you mix that all up, and then you use, I think it might have said like a cup of whipped cream. I just dipped out of the tub and just until I thought it looked good. And then you just mix that all up, and oh my gosh, it tastes exactly like pumpkin pie. It's so good. And then you can dip, you know, some graham crackers in it, or some, we ended up getting out the graham crackers, but first we bought shortbread cookies, so we used that. That was good. I don't think it really makes a difference because we were like, the pumpkin itself is just tastes like pumpkin, so when you add just the crunch to it, it's like we couldn't tell a difference between the graham crackers or the cookies. So it was like, and then on there it also said like you could dip like apples. I don't know how that would taste though, but maybe we should try it. Maybe it might be good. We still have some left, not a lot, just a little bit, because it went over really well, and we didn't have any left over of the taco soup, which is like crazy because I make enough to feed. So we've got 4 men, right? My husband, Evan, Uncle Brian, and Papa, and then myself, and then we got 2 little birds that hardly eat anything. So I tend to overmake a little bit because I want Papa and Uncle Brian to have some to take home with them, because they're, you know, Papa is a widower and Uncle Brian is a bachelor, I guess. So, you know, I just, you know, want them to take leftovers home so they can eat it for their lunch or their dinner the next day. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and head to bed. I love going to bed early. It's like now I'm like, oh, it's like 9 o'clock. I need to go back. But and I get up early now. It's like I wake up. I usually wake up before the sun's even up. I'm always like, what time is it? But anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Y'all ain't gotta go home, but you can't stay here.
Thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.